Ooh. All right. Looking moist.
Oh, yes.
All right, let's get this turkey breast ready. This one's a nice size. This one here is about 8 pounds. Feed up some people. You want to do something simple. We're gonna throw it on the smoker. And you say, you know what? It's the holidays. I like the white meat. We're gonna do it Cajun style, or my version of Cajun style, and we're gonna try a hand at deboning it. And make it boneless. All right, be right back. Get it dried off, and let's try hands at deboning it. Let's get that neck. Cut that neck off. We're just gonna try to follow the line. If we mess up, at least we'll learn something. There's a lot of little tendons up in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to follow this bone. Take our time. Look like we making some progress. Check that out. Let's get past these little tendons. Getting close. We're getting close. Voila. Not too bad for a first timer. So I can just I think I'm gonna smoke this just a little bit and then stew it down and make like some good old smoked turkey stock. Clean her up a little bit. All right. It's looking breasty. Just trim it up a little bit. It's a little extra work, but it's cool. All right, we'll be back for the seasoning portion. All right, the garlic powder is in front of me, so it goes first. So, teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's do a teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of oregano. Teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Teaspoon of chili powder. teaspoon of parsley flakes, teaspoon of whole thyme, teaspoon paprika, a half teaspoon of black pepper. Let's do an eighth teaspoon of white pepper, an eighth teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Get her mixed up. This is pretty much the basics of a Cajun seasoning. Took that bone off and filleted it like this. It is only 3 pounds. And the thing is, you don't need too much salt. That's why I only have like a teaspoon of the lemon pepper, because these are turkey breasts that you buy frozen. They're already pre-brined. Just get the outside, get that flavor. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator, let it go overnight, get on up in the morning, and smoke this bad boy. We're gonna be eating some good old turkey breast. So much flavor. Don't need much. And we're gonna do some mesquite wood. Had some little chips left over. I said, you know what? Mesquite turkey sounds real good. We on our way to a great fire. Let it come up to temp. We're gonna try to get up to about I think I'm gonna do about 300 on this turkey breast. Alright, let's let it come up to temp. Alright. Just gonna lay it out just like that. We want fat side down first. I'm gonna check on it. I'm gonna give it an hour and check on it. And flip it and see what temperature we at. Alright, let's go, y'all. Alright, been on here about an hour. It is looking good. Ooh. Ooh. I just made up, y'all, I just mixed up some honey and butter, that's all. You know, nothing fancy. Brush it on there. Ooh, yeah. That's it there, baby. Alright. We ain't got too far to go on this thing. We're at 133. We're gonna take it up to 150. So maybe about what you say, baby, a half an hour?
Half hour,
yeah. Alright, y'all. A half an hour has passed. Let's see where we at. Yep, that's why I want to take it off at. It's getting up to 155. And it's going to do some carryover cooking, so no need to worry about the 165. It's going to get there in the middle. Like that. Now let's get this thing wrapped. I'm going to pour the rest of this honey butter on here. Man, that look good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. Got the wrap like that so we don't spill nothing, make no mess. That's it, y'all. So I'm gonna let that rest for about an hour or so, and I'm gonna be eating it. I see y'all inside. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh. Set that one to the side. We're gonna see how this tastes. Looking moist.
Oh, yes.
Let's see what we got. Oh man.
I know that's good.
Y'all, this is so tender, juicy, perfect seasoning. Oh man, I ain't never did one this good. I'm glad I took it off the bone and did it boneless. Oh man. Ooh. Wait till your mom and them taste this.
I know, right?
Ooh wee. So y'all saw the steps I did. Like I said, I had it at about 300 degrees on that smoker. I took it off at what? 150 I did? Yes, took it off at 150. 155. Yeah, 155. That cook carry over. You got up to 165. You see that's done.
Wee,
Oh, and that honey butter, boy.
wee.
Mmm. All right, y'all. I'm out.